Assalamualaikum. I want to show you this tudung called Dahlia. It's made of cotton. To tell you the truth, bila I baru-baru pakai tudung, I memang hari-hari pakai tudung ni because so easy, so simple. You just have to serkup the tudung in and then you just tarik atas, just like a hoodie. And this hot weather kan, you tak payah pakai inner and then another chiffon or another satin, so it's very easy. So this is like my to tell you the truth, everyday tudung. If when I nak fetch my children ke, or nak pergi pasar ke apa, I just slip on this tudung. So anyway, dia panjang. Kalau you tak nak macam hoodie up, you can just leave it like that. You can solat with this, insyaAllah. The coverage is good. Or you can, kalau you know you want it macam ada style sikit, there's actually a pleat here. If you can see, we put a pleat here, then you bring it up. Okay, so it's very easy. You just hood hood it up, and the pleat sini you can actually choose to put in the middle ke. Kalau middle dia jadi macam gini, pun cantik actually. Kalau middle dia macam gini, so easy. Oh, and also this is my travel tudung. Kalau I macam travel, I malas nak gosok and whatever, I would like to I use this tudung, or especially in the plane. I will wear it like that, and then once I masuk dalam plane, lagi-lagi kalau long flight, long haul, I will just put it down and then it covers everything and I tidur. I can also actually lepaskan my rambut so I can sleep comfortably in the plane. Yeah, it's good coverage insyaAllah bila you bring it down, and then you can also bring it up and you can put the pleat wherever you nak. This is the middle side and then this is the side. Side is also good. Middle is also good. Or if you think like Diyana, I have this kakak so cute. Dia cakap, Diyana, akak dah tua lah, akak tak nak lah pleat-pleat tu semua. So macam mana? So kalau akak tak nak this pleat, which you can actually hide it, you know, just hide the pleat. What you can do is don't lift up the pleat. You see? So magic, surprise, no pleat, so you can hide the pleat. So try it, try my everyday tudung Dahlia. Thank you. Alhamdulillah.